My name is Bartosz. I work for Tidal at STP office in Gdansk. Today I want to share with you some knowledge about a tool that everybody have at hand, but not that much people use it because it's a very specified tool, and it's being used in one simple case. Imagine that you are working on a huge code base, legacy code base, and you manage to make a feature, yeah? And that feature works, you are proud of it, and you are going to holidays, yeah? After a week, you return to the office and you discover that that feature is not working anymore. You look into the repository and you see over 100 more commits in that repository, yeah? And now you know that you got a regression and you want to fix that. And it's hard because there is a lot of code, a lot of changes in that very complicated code base. Well, the easiest way is to pick one commit one by one and check if it's still working when you are fetching new code from the repository. But it's a lot of work. It's very hard to do it quickly, and it's not a fun job to do. So maybe we can do it more methodically, like use some algorithm. Maybe we can divide and conquer, like pick the middle commit from the range. Like if you have 100 commits, pick the 15th from the last one, yeah? And then try to decide if code is still working or is it broken yet. Then pick the upper half of the commits or lower half of the commits and repeat it until you find the one that is breaking your features. You know, it's still a lot of work. You have to count the commits, you have to pick the hashes and do a lot of labor that is not required. Because we've got a tool that is specified at this kind of job, and the name of that tool is Git Bisect. You can give it a hash of a commit that you already know that is working fine, and then give it a hash of a commit, maybe the latest one, and this tool will do the job. It will apply the binary search algorithm, pick one commit, and give it to you, and then you can check if it is working. It's still some work to do, but you can automatize it using a script. If you run that, Git Bisect, and use a script that will test it automatically for you, you can go make a coffee and return after a couple minutes when all that 100 commits are checked for that bug, and Git Bisect will give you the exact hash of a commit where the bug occurred for the first time. So this makes that job really fun. And what is very important to know, it's not the only way you can use Git Bisect, because you know everybody who uses it say that it's for finding bad commits. It's not true. Because sometimes you can use it to find the first commit where a given feature was implemented. You can switch the output of that testing script, which is making the tests during the bisecting process. And if you switch that output, the bisect will give the hash of a commit which firstly implements that feature. Now you can just open your issue tracker, check the issues that are probably made already, fixed, and put the commit there because now you know when it was fixed. I hope that it's clear for you, and maybe it will improve significantly the bug hunting process for you. Thanks.